Welcome to 5 Minutes VHDL Podcast, the podcast where we talk about VHDL and hardware design. Today is tough. The concept of concurrent language is something that is always a little bit difficult to digest, above all if you have a software background. VHDL is a concurrent language. If you have ever programmed some software, you will know that your program's code line are executed sequentially. The first line is executed first, then the second, then the third, and so on. In VHDL, it is not like that. So, how the code is executed? If you remember the first episode, VHDL is not a programming language, but it is a descriptive hardware language. It describes a logical hardware circuits. An hardware circuit cannot be seen as a line of sequential code. I think I'm losing you. Let's try a practical example. So, if you go to the Telegram channel, you can find the image relative to this episode with title Concurrency. In this picture, we have an entity and underscore OR that is a simple 2AND gate and an OR gate. The entity ports are A, B, that are also the port of the first AND gate, D and E, that are the ports of the second AND gate. The output of the two ports is the input of an OR gate, and G, the output of the OR gate, is the output of the entity. So the circuit is very, very simple. Let's see how to implement these circuits in VHDL. The logic function is very trivial. So we can write, as on the left, something like a software-like code. I mean, the first output of the AND gate on the first line, C less than equal A and B, F less than equal D and E, and then the last one, the output G less than equal C or F. By now, I don't think that it could be a problem, but this code can be written as on the right. I mean, put the output G assignment as first line of the code. If you write some code in a software language, this code doesn't work. In VHDL, yes, because it represents an hardware circuit, so exchanging the line code, the results shall be the same. Maybe it is difficult to understand if your background is a software background, but if you think hardware, the result shall be the same. In the episode description, you will find the link to the file to download if you want to study this simple code. The concept of a concurrent code is a little bit difficult to assimilate, but going forward, you will see that it will become natural. The secret is to think hardware. You must remember that we are talking about a language that describes the behavior of an hardware. So it is not a software language as many people say. For example, if we used to describe the behavior of a kitchen stove, we could have a situation like this. In your kitchen, you turn on two burners, one to heat the water and the other to heat the milk, for example. The two cookers heat water and milk at the same time. I mean, concurrently. VHDL is something like this. In our VHDL file, the line of the code example are implementing a couple of AND2 gate whose output is connected to the OR2 gate. As you can see in the hardware implementation on the right, the VHDL code line position in the file do not influence the hardware realization. Coming back to in the kitchen, exchanging the cooker of the water and the milk of tea or whatever, you will not alter the sequence of what happened. The burner works together. It doesn't care if we put milk on the right or on the left. I let you analyze this concept, and in the next future we will have many opportunities to go deeper into this topic, because VHDL is intrinsically concurrent. For sure, it is a fundamental concept with which you will have to become familiar. Always remember that the VHDL is not used to program something, but to describe hardware. Remember the kitchen cooker if you want. For today, I think it is enough, and I'm going to cook something. In the episode description, you will find all the references to what we have said today and all my contact. So see you soon and ciao.